বৈষ্ণব আসবেন আপনার বাড়িতে,
Come in
যদি
my house.
আপনি অর্থ দ্বারা সেবা না করেন, কে আসবে বাবা কারিগর?
If you are not able to serve with the money, then who will
ভূতের
come?
বেগার কেউ ঘাটবে? সত্য কথা বলছি কি না?
I'm telling truth.
ভূতের বেগার কেউ ঘাটবে না বাবা। হ্যাঁ, লোকজন আসছেন ভালো করে,
People are coming, they need nice prasadam, they need nice place to stay, then only people will come.
ভালো করে তাকে স্নেহ প্রতি
You
আদর
should,
করতে।
the people should be respected, given love and affection
তারা
and respect,
আবার
then only people will
ধন
come.
আমাদের সংগ্রহ করবার প্রয়োজনীয়তা
So
রয়েছে
we
কি?
need the money.
আগের এই কথার মধ্যে ধনের প্রয়োজনীয়তা রয়েছে।
We
ধন
need
না
the
থাকলে
money.
কেউ আপনাকে ডাকে না, বুঝে না?
If you don't have money, then people will not call you. They will not ask about you.
তাই না? যদি পয়সা থাকে,
If you have
সকলে
money,
আপনাকে আদর করে।
everybody will respect
আর
you.
পয়সা না থাকলে
If you don't have money,
কেউ আদর করে না।
nobody will respect you.
Huh? You understand or not? If you have money, then everybody asks you, how
How are you? If you have money, people will ask you, how are you? How are you?
Person will be asked,
And the same person will ask you, who are you?
এটা সত্য কথা কি?
This is true.
হ্যাঁ?
This is
সে
truth.
সাধু হোক, অসাধু
If it's
হোক,
sadhu
চোর
or a
হোক,
sadhu,
ডাকাত,
thief or dacoit,
চোর ডাকাত দেখে এর বাড়িতে কোন টাকা আছে
thief
কিনা।
and dacoit they will understand, oh, this person have money.
তাহলে চোর আসবে আপনার বাড়িতে।
Then thief will come at your house.
If you have lot of wealth of money, then even thief will also come. Dacoit will also come. Huh? If you completely are penniless, huh? Who will come? Thief will not come. You will not come.
Rats will also not come.
চোর, এই জন্য বাংলায় কি বলা হয়? ভূতের বেগার কে খাটে বাবু? ভূতের বেগার শুনেছো? ভূতের বেগার নাম শুনেছো? কে কারে নিজের এখানে? এই সংসারে এতগুলো বিয়োগ রয়েছে।
So this world is like this. Money is needed. If you have no money, no one will ask you anything.
মানুষ অর্থের দাস, অর্থ কারোর দাস। মহাভারতে
In Mahabharat, this saying is coming.
স্বয়ং ভীষ্ম পিতামহ,
Bhishma Pitama himself, he gave many instructions, and one of this is this one. Human is servant of money, and no one else is servant of money. Only human is.
সকলে সেখানে ছুটে যায়, অর্থ না থাকলে কি ছুটে যায় না?
If you have money, then everyone will stay with you. If you have no money, everyone will leave you.
আমরা সকলে অর্থের দাস।
We are all servants of money, aren't we?
অর্থ নেই, কিন্তু অর্থ কারোর
But
দাস।
money is not servant of anyone.
আজ আছে আপনার পয়সা,
Today it is with you, someone. It is with you, and tomorrow it will be with someone else. Meaning, today you are strongly holding it, the money, but tomorrow
আর ওই
that same money will not be with you.
অর্থটা মানুষের কাছে থাকে না সব সময়।
Money is always moving. It's not staying in one place.
একটা মাংসের দোকানের কাছে সেই অর্থটা যাচ্ছে, আমি যে
Like
50 টাকার 20 টাকার নোট,
20 rupees note
ঘুরছে কি
is rotating around the market, rotating around, going even to the butcher's hand.
সেই কসাই খানার কাছ থেকে,
And from butcher's hand,
ঠাকুরের চরণে আসছে।
it's coming to the feet of Thakurji or not. The same 20 rupee note is rotating, moving. Then from Thakurji's money again going to market, someone rotating. So this is like the cycle of rotation of money.
মানুষ অর্থের দাস।
So that's why it's called human is servant of money, but money is not servant of anyone.
বুঝতে পারছেন? এটা হচ্ছে ভালো করে জানতে হবে।
Understand this nicely. Money is needed.
আমরা বলি যে অর্থ দরকার নেই,
We say money not needed.
কিন্তু সেই
No.
অর্থ প্রয়োজনীয়তা রয়েছে।
Money
কিন্তু সেই
is needed.
অর্থটাকে কিভাবে আমরা
But the main thing is how we utilize the money. This is the main thing.
সঠিক জায়গায় অর্থটা লাগাতে হবে।
You have to put money in the right place.
কিন্তু অর্থটা
Money can be earned, but how do you use it? It's important.
আর সেই অর্থটা কি হয়ে গেল?
So
নষ্ট হয়ে গেল।
otherwise your money will become anartha. You are making artha means money. But with that money, if you take alcohol,
তাহলে অর্থটা কি হলো?
then that artha becomes anartha. Make offense.
অর্থটা কামালেন, সেই
You are burning money, and with that money,
গুরু বৈষ্ণব হলো।
You should serve Guru and Vaishnavas.
বুঝতে পারছো? হ্যাঁ? এগুলো বুঝতে হবে।
Understand this very nicely. Money is needed,
কিন্তু অর্থটা
but
কি কাজে
what are you doing with the money?
করতে হবে, প্রয়োগের বিধি সেটা আমাদের জানা।
The use of the money we must learn how to
প্রয়োগের
utilize it.
বিধিটা আমরা যদি না জানি,
If we don't utilize it properly, then the money will become offense. It will become the root cause of offense.
আবার অর্থ হচ্ছে
Money is the root cause of offenses on earth, and also it can be the source of bhakti.
অর্থটা থাকলে সেখানে
Money,
গুরু বৈষ্ণবের সেবা করবে,
you serve Guru and Vaishnavas,
ভগবানের সেবা করলে
serve to God.
ঠাকুরের অর্থের প্রয়োজনীয়তা রয়েছে বলে অর্থ চাই না।
Everyone needs money. No one will say, I
কেবল
don't need
অর্থ
money.
চাই না, সে মিথ্যা কথা বলে।
Those who are saying, I don't need money, they are lying.
এটা আমাদের জানতে হবে।
We must know this. Who does not need money? Tell me.
সবাই
Everyone needs money. Everyone wants money. But
প্রয়োগের বিধি যেটা হচ্ছে,
the process of utilizing the money, this everyone should know. Process of utilizing the money.
কামানোর ধনটা আমাদের অর্জন করতে হবে, হ্যাঁ? কিন্তু সেই
The money everyone is earning.
অর্জনটা করে ধনটা অর্জন করে
Everyone collecting money, earning money. But
আমরা ভগবত সেবা,
we should always think, how do we put this money in the service of God?
এই যে ভক্তি
Then
কথা
this,
আপনি বলতে চাইছেন, ভক্তি মানে
I was telling you about bhakti, right? Bhakti means desire to serve,
সেবার প্রয়োজনীয়তা।
and service is needed.
এই জন্য জীব গোস্বামী
For this regard, Jiva Goswami Pad in Bhakti Sandarbha, he gave a very beautiful example. There was one Brahman, listen very carefully. Are you listening Bengali language or not?
There was one Brahmana.
There was one Brahman,
He worshipped Thakurji in the temple. মন্দিরে সেবা করতেন। হ্যাঁ? বুঝতে পারছেন? এখন ওই সেবা
there was a Brahman serving the temple, and he did Thakurji's Aarti, and then
ঘিলামটা কি করলেন?
he put ghee lamp
মন্দিরের মধ্যে রেখে দিলেন।
in the temple
সে
premises,
পূজা করে চলে গেলেন।
and he went away from there.
যখন ওই
Then
ঘিলামটা
the ghee lamp, it was about to extinguish.
বন্ধ হতে বুঝলেন?
It was about to extinguish.
Almost. And in the same time, one mouse came. একটু চুয়া এলো।
When rat came, mouse
ইঁদুর।
came.
ইঁদুরটা
The mouse came and thought, this is some food,
সুগন্ধ আসছে ঘি।
because it was smelling of beautiful fragrance of ghee. So the mouse,
ওই
he
ঘিয়ের বাটিটাকে দাঁত বের করে ফেলেছে।
he tried to eat that ghee
তবে
lamp,
দাঁতের মধ্যে তেল
and
লেগে গেছে।
the ghee lamp got stuck in his between of
দাঁত
his
থেকে
teeth,
বের করতে পারছে।
and he could not put it
এখন ওই
out.
সময় কি হলো?
So that time,
আগুনের যে
the fire flame
শিখাটা আরো প্রজ্বলিত হয়ে গেল।
uh,
প্রজ্বলিত হয়ে গেছে, তখন
was lighting so much, and his mouth got burned,
ছটফট করতে
and he was trembling in pain, rotating, moving, and the rat mouse, he died in front of Thakurji like this.
আমাদের বিচার ঠাকুরের বিচার
See, our perspective and Thakurji's perspective is so different. So when the ghee lamp was lighting and the mouse was moving round and round, was moving like this and died, God thought that, oh, this mouse is beautifully doing my arati. Bhavagrai Janardhana, God is accepting the mood.
পরবর্তী তার চরিত্র যখন
And
ছিল, তখন সেই চুয়াটা মানে
in the next life, that same mouse
ছেড়ে দিবে,
gave up the body of the mouse, and the soul
রাজকুমারী হয়ে
entered the body of a princess
রাজকুমারী হয়ে জন্মগ্রহণ করলেন।
and became a princess. See,
কেবল একটা ঘি,
just by offering a ghee lamp, that too unknowingly,
আবার সেটা কি হলো? ইঁদুর শরীরের দ্বারা
and from by the body of the mouse, unknowingly,
ভগবানের সেবা।
he served the God.
তাহলে কি হলো?
Then what happened?
রাজকুমারী
The
হয়ে
mouse became princess.
তাহলে দেখুন, ইঁদুর শরীর থেকে কি শরীর পেলেন?
From the body of mouse, he became a princess.
আর রাজকুমারী যখন হয়েছে,
And when he became princess, that time, no one taught the princess anything. The impression got imprinted in the past life itself. Sanskar came, and because of that sanskar, that impression, when the princess was young, started to use ghee lamp and doing arti of Thakurji, service of Thakurji, praying nice mridanga, If someone play nice mridanga very easily, then in past life they must have learned it.
নালে বাজাতে পারবে না।
If you don't have no mridanga past life, you cannot play. So whatever you're doing in this life,
আধুনিকই
these are called aduniki,
বর্তমান যা করছে।
the present impressions that are coming. And what you did in past life, they are called past life impressions that are working now. These impressions that you are making now, they will work in next lifetime.
মৃদঙ্গ
So definitely someone was a nice mridanga player in the past life, so that they are
নিশ্চয়ই পূর্বে জন্মে আবার সুন্দর কীর্তন করছেন।
now in the past life you were definitely you were doing nice kirtan. In past life definitely you were nice kirtania.
ফল দেখি তো বৃক্ষকে জানা যায়।
By fruits you can know how a tree is, right?
গাছকে জিজ্ঞাসা করে গাছ
If you ask the tree,
কি গাছ তুমি?
oh, how are you, what kind of fruit you give, no, you have to check the fruit. The tree says you see my fruit, then you will know
কি তেঁতুল গাছ?
I am mango tree, jackfruit tree, or what tree. How will you know?
বুঝা যাবে।
By the fruit you can identify, right?
ঠিক তদ্রূপ
In the same way,
এইগুলো পূর্ব জন্মের কার্য সেখানে
so by the past life impressions this is coming. So what efforts we are doing in the past life, not trying to, not possible to play mridanga, just trying, these impressions are being imprinted, and in next life they will come to fruit.
ওই রাজকুমারী
So the princess became, right, I told, and then
ভগবান কেন রাজগৃহে কেন জন্ম দিলেন?
and God, why did he give him birth in the
বলে
palace?
ভগবানের একটু যে কোনো প্রকার সেবা করে ভগবান তাকে কি বস্তু দিবে?
God, what is he giving?
এই যে গীতাতে ভগবান
For this regard God has said,
সুচিনাং সেমতাঙ্গে
Suchinam Samtangrehe Jog Brashta Abhijayate.
ভক্তির অঙ্গ কিছু সামান্য থেকে যদি
If someone follows bhakti,
সেই ভক্তির ফলটা কি হয়?
then what is the fruits of the bhakti? The efforts don't go in waste. If someone follows bhakti,
মঙ্গলারতি এসে
if the Mangala Aarti coming and you just put ghee lamp,
সামান্য নয়।
it's not ordinary.
এই জন্য বলবো
For this regard, Jiva Goswami Pad in Sandarbha, he is saying,
আর গীতাতে ভগবান কি বলে? সুচিনাং সেমতাঙ্গে
and he's saying, Suchinam Samtam Grehe.
যোগভ্রষ্ট হয়ে যাতে যারা ভক্তি যোগ পালন করতে করতে
Those, when you follow bhakti yoga,
সিদ্ধি হওয়ার আগে পারফেকশন
before perfection,
সিদ্ধি হওয়ার আগে যদি তুমি
if someone gives up the body,
তাহলে ভগবান তাকে কি করবে?
then what is God doing?
শ্রীমতাঙ্গে
Suchinam Srimatam Grehe.
মানে পবিত্র বৈষ্ণব গৃহে তাকে থাকবে।
Give birth in a high class Vaishnava family.
শ্রীমতাঙ্গে
Suchinam Srimatam Grehe means
ধনশালী গৃহের মধ্যে
in a rich family taking birth,
গরিবের ঘরে জন্ম
in a
দিলে
poor family not giving birth.
এই শ্লোকটা বললেন
This verse is coming like this: Suchinam Srimatam Grehe
যোগভ্রষ্ট বিচয়
Jog Breshta Bijayate.
গৃহের মধ্যে তাকে
Staying in pure house, rich house, and then staying there.
আর হচ্ছে ধনবান গৃহের মধ্যে
In a rich family, they are giving birth.
না ভক্তি করার যে ভক্তি অনুশীলন করার যে প্রয়োজনীয় যে সকল
Because whatever is needed for bhakti, easily you getting everything. Easily everything is coming. Because if you take birth in the poor family,
কিনবে কোথা থেকে?
then how will you purchase these ghee lamps and things like this?
কিনতে হলে কত টাকা দিতে হবে? 10 টাকা দরকার।
You need 10
10
rupees
কি করে?
for ghee lamp, right? How is 10 rupees coming?
পয়সা না দেয়।
Someone don't have even this 10 rupees. Someone told me that Gurudev, give me 10 rupees.
রিকশায় করে
I will take rickshaw and go back my house. One child asked me. I said, okay, no problem, take.
ধনী করে জন্ম দিলে
And if you take a rich family, then someone will ask like this? No.
তাহলে এগুলো প্রয়োজনীয়তা নেই। আপনি যে বলেন যে লোকে বলে আমার পয়সা নেই, ভগবান তাই বললেন গীতাতে সুচিনাম
God is saying in Gita, Suchinam Srimatam Grehe.
শ্রী মানে ধনবান গৃহে তার জন্ম গ্রহণ।
In rich family, they are taking birth.
আর সে তখন সে ভক্তির অঙ্গগুলি
And they easily follow bhakti. Then what is the princess doing? Took birth in the king's in the house of a king. So she has so much money. With the money, she is purchasing nice ghee lamps, nice quality everything, and doing arati.
তার বাড়িতে এলেন, বৈষ্ণব সেবা হলো কি না? হ্যাঁ? ধর না থাকে এত লোককে ডেকে আনা খাওয়ানা কম কথা একটা লোক ঘরে
To feed many people, you need money or not?
হ্যাঁ? আচ্ছা এই যে আমরা এই যে প্রভুর বাড়িতে
So we are coming in this house.
কথা বলছি কি না? হ্যাঁ?
This is, I'm telling about the truth or not.
ভগবানের সেবা করতে হলে
There's to serve the God. If you have no money, how will you put a beautiful pandal like they prepared, like a tent, nice decorations, nice prasad for everyone? So they're preparing pandal. They invite many
কি বলে প্রসাদের ব্যবস্থা
prasad, beautiful prasad. They prepare. They spend a lot of money or not?
তাহলে ধন থাকলে তো করতে
If money is there, then they can do like this.
তিনবার
If they have money, then they can do like this. 3 times, 4 times, they're preparing many preparations, pita pana, many sweets.
ডাব কিনতে বাজারে গেলে কত টাকা লাগে
If you purchase one coconut in the market, how much? What is the price? 50 rupees.
40 টাকা 50 টাকা
40 rupees, 50 rupees is the rate here. And here is like a factory of coconut. So many coconuts they have.
আমরা ওই ট্রেনের বাড়িতে গেলাম বলে 500 ডাব রেখেছি
I saw there they have 500 coconuts in one place. I saw Jagat Prabhu.
বলে পয়সা করে নিয়ে সেবা
All for Vaishnavas, no problem, the Prabhu said.
ডাব গাছে তো ডাব রেখেছে বিকলে তো কয়েক হাজার টাকা হতো
They have a coconut tree although, but if they can sell it, right? But they're not. No. They're keeping from, if someone says
ডাবগুলো বিক্রি করতে কয়েক হাজার টাকা
how thousands of rupees they can earn easily just by selling those coconuts, but no, they're putting in the service.
ওর মধ্যে সব ডাব রেখে দিয়েছে যা
And see, there are so many coconuts. Everyone can cut and eat.
ঘন্টা উদাহরণ
They are generous.
শ্রীরাম শ্রীমতাঙ্গে
Sachinam Sudangre. Like just serving the Vaishnavas like this.
ধনের প্রয়োজনীয়তা রয়েছে
Money is needed. If someone say, I don't want money, no need.
কোনো কিছু প্রাপ্তি করতে হলে সেখানে
To get something, you have to sacrifice something.
প্রয়োজনীয়তা আবার যারা নিচে তারা যদি ভজন না করে
So if you don't
মুশকিল আছে
do bhajan, then it's very
বুঝতে
hard.
পারছেন
Understand?
হ্যাঁ? যদি হরিনাম না
If you're not
করে,
chanting holy names
গৃহস্থের ঘরে খেয়ে
and you eating at the house of Grihastha, then you will fall down.
সব তেল নিকাল দেंगे ভগবান
The God will squeeze all oil out from you. God will squeeze all oil out from you.
যে তো বহুত
Don't
আচ্ছা
think
ভগবান
that,
ভজন
oh,
করতে
very
হবে।
nice, delicious preparations they are giving. Wow. No.
যদি হরি ভজন না
If you're not
করে,
chanting holy names, then
তাহলে সব
it's not good.
সব চর্বি নিকাল দেंगे
God will like make you pay for it. So bhajan is very important. Food is needed and bhajan both is needed. Bhojan and bhajan. The bhojan means food.
মুখে ভজন না হয়
On an empty stomach, you cannot do any bhajan. So take Kantimala. The famous Hindi proverb.
লাগলে ভজন করতে হবে কি
If you're hungry, you want food or not. If you don't eat and
ভজন কি করে করবে
someone asks you to chant the holy names, no. And can you play mridanga on an empty stomach? No. The body needs energy or not. Mahaprabhu told.
হ্যাঁ? কীর্তনিয়ার পরিশ্রম
Mahaprabhu, he knows how hard the kirtaniyas are working.
ওরা চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু
How many hard efforts. Mahaprabhu knows
কীর্তনের কত
that
এনার্জি প্রয়োজন
so much energy is needed for kirtan.
হ্যাঁ তারা বসে কি বসে হ্যাঁ
It takes efforts or not to dance. It takes so much effort. Those who are dancing with mridang, it's so hard.
আর তাদের
And so need food or not.
আহারের প্রয়োজনীয়তা নেই
The body needs energy.
শ্রীবাস ঠাকুর মুক্ত তারা মুক্ত
Srivas Thakur is a liberated person. Narad Rishi is Srivas Thakur.
আপনি শ্রীবাসের সঙ্গে তুলনা করতে যাবেন না
We cannot compare to Srivas, but
এখন
just I'm
ভোজন করতে হবে কি হবে
telling that it's important to eat. That who is doing kirtan,
ভোজন করা
eat properly. You should feed them properly. Then the mridang will be played properly, right? If you give them not nice food,
তার বাজারে মানে
then they won't be able to play mridanga. We need energy or not.
আপনি বালতি পাবে করে
So if you don't give them nice food, then they won't be able to play mridanga.
এইজন্য
For this regard, in Gita, this verse, everyone must understand this verse properly.
যোগ ভ্রষ্ট অভিযান এই জন্য আমি এই কথার উল্লেখ করব।
So I'm saying this because
ধনবান প্রিয় ভগবান দেখুন,
God is giving birth in the rich family.
সেই রাজকুমারী দেখুন,
So see, this Bhav became a princess, and she became princess and serving Thakurji so beautifully. Jiva Goswami Pad is writing, you can write in Sandarbha.
ভক্তি সন্দর্ভের মধ্যে
Bhakti Sandarbha scripture, you can
এই উদাহরণ
read.
দিয়েছে।
Jiva Goswami Pad is giving this example, the princess
সুন্দর করে ঠাকুরের সেবা করে।
serving Thakurji very nicely.
পিতার সম্পত্তি কি করুন,
The wealth of her father she used for the Thakurji's seva,
সুকৃতি হলো,
and she got so much sukriti, and then Narad Rishi came there,
নারদঋষি তাকে
and Narad Rishi
দীক্ষা মুদ্রা
gave initiation to that princess,
সদ্গুরু প্রাপ্ত হয়ে
and
গেল।
she got Sadguru,
মন্ত্র জপ,
chanted Guru mantra
ভজন,
and did bhajan,
করে রাজকুমারী শরীর
and then the
থেকে
princess gave up the body of princess and attained to direct to Golok Vrindavan. Thai Gaur Premanande.
এগুলো শাস্ত্রের মধ্যে রয়েছে।
In scriptures it is coming like this. Everyone you should read. So bhakti,
শব্দের অর্থ কি
the
বলবো?
definition of bhakti I told, right?
সেবা বৃত্তি।
Seva
এই
vritti,
সেবা
the
বৃত্তি
desire to serve. From where will it come?
বলে রাধারানী থেকেই আসে।
Only it's coming direct from Srimati Radhika, because Srimati Radhika is the root source of everything.
কেন শ্রীমতী
Because
রাধারানী কৃষ্ণের সুন্দর
Srimati
ভক্ত ছিলেন।
Radhika is serving Krishna very nicely. And with what mood? Srimati Radhika is serving to Krishna as per the desire of Krishna, because she realized all the desires of Krishna.
অতএব রাধিকা নাম
And all the Puranas glorify the name of Srimati Radhika. In Chaitanya Charitamrita is coming. What is the name of Srimati Radhika? What?
রাধা।
Radha. What is the meaning?
রাধা মানে কি?
Radha. Aradhita means
আরাধনা
Radha.
শব্দ থেকে।
Aradhana means the Radha element.
আরাধ্যতে ইতি রাধা।
Radhate Radhate iti Radha
তিনি কৃষ্ণকে
means one,
ছাড়া আর কিছু তিনি জানেন না।
she does not know anything apart from Krishna.
অথবা প্রেমের দ্বারা যেইভাবে করবে।
Anyhow, she is always serving to Krishna and fulfilling all his desires.
কৃষ্ণের
One who fulfills all the desires of Krishna,
কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা পূর্তি করে, হ্যাঁ? হ্যাঁ? কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা পূর্তি করে অতএব রাধিকা নাম পুরাণের মধ্যে
in Puranas, Vedas, the glories of name of Radha is so much.
ভাগবতে তাই বললেন কি?
In Bhagavad also, Anaradhito, this term is coming.
ভগবান সেই যে অনয়া রাধা,
Anaya Radhito.
অনয়া মানে অনন্য
Ana means one pointedly,
ভাবে যিনি কৃষ্ণের
with one pointed mood, she is serving to Krishna.
কৃষ্ণ ছাড়া আর কিছু
Apart from Krishna, she does not know anything.
কৃষ্ণ প্রেমময়ী রাধা,
Krishna Premamai Radha,
রাধা প্রেমময়ী কৃষ্ণ।
Radha Premamai Krishna, both are absorbed in the divine love of each
কৃষ্ণ
other.
ছাড়া আর কিছু এই যে
So she just does not know anything else apart from Krishna. In Gautam Tantra, this shloka is coming.
দেবী কৃষ্ণময়ী
Devi Krishnamai Prokta Radhika Paradevta
সর্বলক্ষ্মীময়ী
Sarva Lakshmi Sarva Kanti Sammohini Para.
এগুলো আমাদের বহুত জানতে হবে।
We must know this. So Radha, beautifully she is serving to Krishna. So all kinds of how the service
সেব্য বস্তুর
should be done properly. We to first serve we must know the heart of our worshipable, the whom we want to serve. If Guru is asking, bring some water, then which water should bring? Tell me. If we don't know the heart of Guru, that what water Guru likes, we don't know he like hot water or cold water, then how can we render proper service to him? Is it Guru servant? No. So Guru wants cold water and you brought hot water, and when Gurudev wanted to drink hot water and you're bringing cold water, so this is proper giving water to Guru? No. By water you're not able to serve Guru like this. For this regard, it's very important to know the heart of the worshipable. The service is proper when the realization of the heart is there. When you realize the heart of your Guru, when you realize the heart of your worshipable, then possible. So Srimati Radhika, only she knows the complete full heart of Krishna. So
তিনি কৃষ্ণের হৃদয়কে জানেন।
she realized all the desires of Krishna. She knows the heart of Krishna. Like why is she becoming manifesting man? Why is she manifesting divine anger mood?
মান মানে কেউ জানে?
Is it service of Krishna?
হ্যাঁ। আগে সে বলে, রান্না বান্না বন্ধ।
It is.
এই রাধারানীর মান করে-
Srimati Radhika in divine anger mood, what is she doing?
সখীগণ,
He said, "Oh Sakhis, you decorated this kunja,
এ ধূর্ত কপট,
this debauchee Krishna,
দাও এইসব মালা-টালা ছেড়ে দাও, সব ই করে দাও। বলে দাও,
throw him out. The garlands that you put here in the kunja, put them out, throw them away."
আজ তোমার এই কুঞ্জের মধ্যে আসুন। কৃষ্ণ আসছেন এমন সময় চন্দ্রাবলীর সখী পদ্মা সে গন্ধ পেয়ে
চন্দ্রাবলী
গিয়েছে
পদ্মা।
যে আজ কৃষ্ণ কোথায় যাচ্ছে? রাধারানীর কুঞ্জে যাচ্ছে।
So Padma, the Sakhi of Chandravali, found out that Krishna is about to go to the kunja of Srimati Radhika. At that time,
চন্দ্রাবলীর সখী পদ্মা
the Padma, the Sakhi of Chandravali,
আসছেন সেই রাস্তার মধ্যে
from where Krishna was coming, she lied down in the way. It's explained there in Kirtan also.
এখন একটু অন্ধকার আছে।
So it was dark that time at night, and Krishna was walking, and the Krishna's feet
পদ্মার সঙ্গে
touched the body of Padma, and we're like, "Who are you?"
তখন পদ্মা
Then
বলছে,
Padma said,
গোবিন্দ,
"Oh Govinda,
হ্যাঁ, আমি হলাম পদ্মা।
I'm Padma."
আমি হলাম বলে, না এর সখী
Chandravali Sakhi.
চন্দ্রাবলীর
I'm
সখী
the Sakhi of Chandravali.
হ্যাঁ, আমার পদ্মা আমার সখী পদ্ম চন্দ্রাবলী তিনি সুন্দর
So Chandravali
কুঞ্জ তৈরি করেছেন তোমার জন্য।
prepared very nice, beautiful
সেই
kunja for you.
দিকে একটু আয়।
Please come there.
কৃষ্ণ তখন কি করে?
Then Krishna,
হ্যাঁ,
he's thinking what to do. Then Padma, in the meantime,
কৃষ্ণকে ধরে নিয়ে গেলেন চন্দ্রাবলী।
grabbed Krishna and pulled him towards the kunj of Chandravali.
চন্দ্রাবলীর কুঞ্জে আজ
So in
কৃষ্ণ
Chandravali's
রাত্রিতে
kunja,
অবস্থান করছে।
Krishna was there at night, and that on the other way, Krishna promised on the other side to Srimati Radhika, "Oh Radhe, today definitely I will come to your kunja and we will meet." So for this regard, Srimati Radhika with her Sakhis beautifully, she was decorating the kunja, preparing, putting garlands, this, many things, and the time passed by,
কিন্তু এখন
but Krishna did not come.
তখন রাধারানীও
Then
ব্যস্ত হয়ে পড়লেন।
Srimati Radhika said, "The time is passing by.
সূত্র বেজে গিয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, কোথায় গেল সেই
Where is that debauchee?"
রাধারানীও সেই কুঞ্জের
Then
কখনো বাইরে আর কখনো
Srimati Radhika sometimes coming out of the kunja, looking here, there, then going inside, then coming outside. After seeing this, the Sakhi of Srimati Radhika,
সখীগণ, হ্যাঁ,
seeing Srimati Radhika like this, said, "Go."
দেখো ওই ধূর্ত কপট
So
কোথায়?
Srimati Radhika said to her Sakhis, "Go. Where is that cheater? Where is that debauchee Krishna? Find him." That time Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, the very near and dear Sakhis of Srimati Radhika,
রতিমঞ্জরি
they
বাইরে
came out.
এসেছে।
The Rati Manjari came outside
দেখে
and saw
তো কোথায় কৃষ্ণকে খোঁজা যাচ্ছে?
she could not find Krishna.
নিশ্চয়ই
But
কৃষ্ণ আজ
she thought that Krishna is today, must be in the kunj of Chandravali then, if he's not around here.
কৃষ্ণের গন্ধ আসছে।
You can smell Krishna. Oh, fragrance of Krishna is coming.
তার অঙ্গের থেকে
Bo-
গন্ধ।
Because wherever Krishna is going, he's leaving his divine fragrance all around.
তখন বুঝতে পারলেন এই
So
নিশ্চয়ই এই
the
চন্দ্রাবলী
Manjaris
কুঞ্জে
thought,
গিয়ে
"Oh, definitely he is in the kunj of Chandravali."
বুঝতে পারছি। এখন
In the meantime,
কি করবেন?
the Sakhis
কি করে চন্দ্রাবলীর কুঞ্জ থেকে কি করে বের
thinking,
করে আনবে?
how do we bring him out from the
এই
kunj of
সাইকেল
Chandravali?
করছেন,
So
কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ
they said,
এই ব্রজের একজন অসুর এসেছে।
"Krishna, Krishna, a demon has
সেই
attacked
অসুরদের দ্বারা
Vraja.
আমরা পীড়িত হয়েছি, রক্ষা করো।
Please protect us, protect us."
হ্যাঁ, যখন কুঞ্জের বাইর থেকে চন্দ্রাবলীর কুঞ্জের বাইর থেকে
From outside of the kunja,
এই সকল আলোচিত।
this sound was coming. Then Krishna understood,
এই অসুর নয়,
this is not a demon. This is the demon of separation of Srimati Radhika.
কৃষ্ণ বুঝতে পারলেন।
Krishna understood, like, oh my God, big problem. Now
তিনি
Srimati Radhika is crying because of me. This is called Virarupi Asur. So this is like separation demon. So
চন্দ্রাবলীকে বললেন,
He said to Chandravali, "Oh Chandre,
আমার মা কিছু একটা কাজের জন্য একটা বলেছে।
I have my mother told me to do some very important work.
আমি
I
সেই
must go.
কাজটা করে
I should do that. I will do that very quickly and I will come back to your Kunja. Don't
আর
worry.
তুমি আমাকে যেতে দাও।
Please let me go now."
চন্দ্রাবলীকে এইভাবে
After saying this to Chandravali, Krishna
সান্ত্বনা দিলেন।
pacified to Chandravali and came out of the Kunja. Then the Sakhis, when Krishna stepped out of the Kunja of Chandravali, then the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika grabbed Krishna
ধরে নিয়ে যাচ্ছে।
and then dragged him
আর তোমার সেই বিচার
to the
হবে।
Kunja of Srimati Radhika. Today we will take you to court. Today we will do justice about you. Today we will see how much cheater you are.
আর ওইদিকে
You are a big
রাধারানী
cheater. That time,
যখন সমাচার পেয়েছেন
when Srimati Radhika found out that Krishna
চন্দ্রাবলীর
is
কুঞ্জ
coming
থেকে
from the Kunja of Chandravali,
এখন তিনি ধরা পড়েছে। তখন
then
রাধারানী
Srimati Radhika manifest anger mood.
রাধারানী এত উদ্গ্রীব ছিলেন গোবিন্দের
Srimati Radhika before she was waiting, oh, when will I meet him? How will I meet him? Preparing many things for his welcome, this, that. From her own hands, she decorated the Kunja. And when she heard that Govinda is coming from Chandravali Kunja, then Srimati Radhika manifested highest divine anger
এই
mood.
মুহূর্তকে আমার দরকার নেই।
I don't need this cheater. I don't need this.
আসতে দিবে না।
Throw him away. Don't let him come near
আমি
me.
কুঞ্জ সাজিয়েছি, কার জন্য সাজিয়েছি?
For whom I decorated all this? For what I prepared it? No, not for Govinda.
আর গোবিন্দ যদি না
And if Govinda did not come,
এই কুঞ্জকে কি
oh Sakhis, he's not coming now, the meeting is not happening. Open all the garlands, spill everything. Shut the doors. Like this, manifest divine anger mood of Srimati Radhika, the man of Srimati Radhika. When she is angry,
ভিতরে বসে
she sits inside the Kunja and she shuts the door of the Kunja.
এখন কৃষ্ণ সেই কুঞ্জের দ্বারে এসে
Then Krishna, coming on the door of the Kunja, bows down his head and glorifies.
আমাদের প্রবধান সৃষ্টি
Pravananda Saraswati Pad is saying,
কিন্তু বহুত করো কাবু রানি নিত্যম্বর সপ্তস্ত শিখণ্ড মঙ্গলে জস্তা সদা জস্তা কবার সন্তে বিসমান যায় তৎকলি কুঞ্জে ভরাঙ্কর মার্জনী সাম সেই কুঞ্জের দ্বারে
on the doors of the Kunja,
কৃষ্ণ নতমস্তক হয়ে
Krishna is bowing down and praying.
সখীগণ গিয়ে ভিতরে বললেন
The Sakhis went inside and said, whatever happened, happened. Oh Radhe, give up your anger, meet with Krishna. Oh Sakhi, give up your anger.
কিন্তু রাধারানী আরো
But Srimati Radhika becomes more angry.
তোমরা আমার সখী নয়
You are not my Sakhis, are you? You are my enemy. You also get out from my Kunja.
সখীগণকে কুঞ্জ থেকে
She also kicked out her Sakhis from the Kunja. And she,
রাধারানী হাত ধরে কুঞ্জের থেকে বের করে দিল।
Srimati Radhika, with her own hands, she kicked everyone out of the Kunja.
তোমরা নিশ্চয়ই এই কৃষ্ণের
You are coming to me. You are friends of Krishna.
ধূর্ত কপট
You are also a cheater, kapat, debauchee. He did so much with me.
কোথায়?
I prepared so many things for him, and he went to Chandravali Kunja. Throw him away. Kick out. Kick out.
কৃষ্ণ নাগ রগড়াতে রগড়াতে
Krishna rubbing his nose on the ground, and then later he went away. Waiting.
সখীগণ আবার কৃষ্ণকে
Then the Sakhis,
সান্ত্বনা দিলেন।
they pacified to Krishna.
সখীগণ কি বললেন?
Sakhi said, Krishna,
এখন রাধারানী
right now, Srimati Radhika is in a divine anger mood. She is in man.
যখন মনটা যখন শান্ত হয়ে
When
যাবে,
her man is calmed down, then you can come.
তোমাকে ডেকে নিয়ে আসবো।
We will call you
এই
at the right time. So, like this,
রাধারানী এই কৃষ্ণ
so
তখন
Krishna, he went away.
এখন কৃষ্ণ যখন
But then,
চলে
when
গেছে,
Krishna went away, suddenly,
দরজা খুলে
Srimati Radhika opened the door, looked far away, and then she opened the door of the Kunja,
দেখে আর সেখানে
and she saw
কৃষ্ণ না
Krishna was nowhere.
তখন রাধারানী কি বলছে?
Then Srimati Radhika said,
কান্নাকাটি করছে।
she started to cry even more.
কি বলছে? এলে
Then,
ছিল হরি
oh, Hari came here. Why? Why did you let him go?
প্রহরী হইয়া
He could have stayed here like a security guard on the door of my Kunja.
পদকর্তা বলছেন এসেছিল
The commentators are saying, oh, Hari came.
তোকে আমি না হয় মন করেছিলাম।
Oh, Sakhis, I was in Man. Why did you let him go? It's very nice Kirtan here. You can
তোকে
sing.
আমি না হয় মান করেছিলাম।
Sakhi, I was in Maan, but you are my, you know my heart. You are my Sakhis. You are my beloved Sakhis. Hari came here on the doors of Konjo. Why did you let him go? Then the Sakhi said, you were absorbed so much in Maan. We told you did not listen to us. So Krishna waited so much and he went away. Then Srimati Radhika started to weep. She started to cry. Oh, Hari came. Why did you let him go? Then what could he have done? He could have stayed security guard and stayed on the doors of my kunja. Why did you let my beloved Govinda go? He could have become a security guard and stand outside the door of my kunja. Why did you let him go? For so long, Srimati Radhika was kicking everyone out, chastising everyone. But when Krishna went away, then she's crying. That how do I meet Govinda again? This is the divine anger mood of Srimati Radhika. So, man is also there for the service of Krishna. Understand? So 5 kind of primary rasas: Shanta, second rasa, Shanta, Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya and Madhurya. In Shanta Rasya, there is no any service. But when Srimati Radhika is in the Maan, then by Shanta Rasa, she is serving to Srimati Radhika or serving to Krishna. This is Tattva Siddhanta. In Shanta Rasa, generally there is no any service. There is one quality, who knows it? Nishtha. In Shanta Nishtha, you should read book. Shanta Nishtha. In Shanta Rasa, there is one quality, Nishtha. And there is the smell of Mamta. Mamta is not there. Shanta Rasa, no seva vritti. By the activities of a devotee, you can know which rasa devotees they are. Which rasa devotees. Cause and effect theory. If someone is Shanta Rasa Bhakta, there is no desire to serve. The Nishtha is there. Sanak Sanandan, they are Shanta Rasa devotees. The Chatushan, the 4 Brahmans, they are Shanta Rasa. In Jaya Dharma you can read. No desire to serve is there. Seva vritti is coming by 2 things. One is knowledge of relationship and second is mamata, deep love, affection, intimacy. These 2 things. Knowledge of relationship and mamata. Mamata means deep intimacy. To know, to have knowledge of relationship, you need mamata.
He belongs to me.
You have
I belongs to
he
him.
belongs to him. I belong to him. 2 things are here. The 2 things. One is like a prema, like honey, and one is prema like ghee. You should know this. Grita sneha, madhu sneha. When sneha is mixed with mamta, the 2 kind of sneha. One is grita sneha, one is madhu sneha. Then when this sneha is more and more condensed, then the desire to serve is also becoming condensed. By only service it's not working. It needs mamata, intimacy, love and affection. For example, cow gives birth to a calf. Then have you see or not? Then the cow is thinking, this calf is mine. And then if someone goes nearby the newborn calf, then the cow will attack you with its head. Don't come here near my baby. And like mother cow, she licks all the body of her calf with her tongue. She's serving the calf like this, cleaning her baby. See, in this cow, so much mamata and sneha is there, and the desire to serve is coming. So first thing is coming that this calf is mine. For other calves, she is not protective, but she is not licking other calves. She is licking only her own calf that she gave birth. You can see. You can give many calves to that mother cow, but she will not care about them. She can smell her calf and know that it's mine.
একটা গরুর মধ্যে
In a
গাভীর
cow
মধ্যে সেগুলো কি থাকে?
and the calf, there is sneha mamta,
মমত্ব ভাব। এই জন্য
mamatta bhav. Mamatta means so it's coming Grita sneha and Madhu sneha.
এই জন্য রাধারানীদের
So
কীর্তনের মধ্যে
Srimati Radhika in Kirtan, she's saying,
এসেছিল হরি
oh dear, Hari came. Why did you let him go? He could have stayed like a security guard at the doors of my kunja.
আরে আমার প্রাণ গোবিন্দ
He's my beloved Govinda. He's my heart, soul, everything.
তিনি এসেছিলেন।
He came.
তাকে কেন যেতে?
Why did you let him go?
তুমি তো মান করেছো, এত
So
করে
he's
মান
told,
করেছো।
you were so
তোমরা
angry.
ক্রোধ ত্যাগ করো।
We told you, don't be angry. You did not listen to us. Then what to do?
এখন
Then
গোবিন্দ যে চলে গিয়েছে তখন
Govinda went away. Then Srimati Radhika was crying.
আবার সখীদের বলছেন,
Then Sakhi
এই
said,
সখীগণ,
then she
এই
said to Sakhi, oh
গোবিন্দের সঙ্গে
Sakhis,
আমাদের কি করে, আমার কি করে
tell
মিলন
me,
হবে?
how do I meet Govinda again? Please tell me. Srimati Radhika saying to Sakhi, little katha I will tell.
এখন সেই সময়
See, that time
সখীগণ ব্যবস্থা করলে
the Sakhis make a nice arrangement again that how Radha and Krishna will meet together.
এখন কৃষ্ণ আবার কৃষ্ণ তো চলে গেছেন যমুনার কূলে।
Krishna, he went almost by the banks of
সেখানে
Yamuna.
তিনি রয়েছেন রাধারানীর বিরহে তিনি।
And Krishna was also absorbed in separation from Srimati Radhika and crying that how, that when will Srimati Radhika give up her anger mood and meet with me? Krishna is crying like this also. He was on the banks of Yamuna and crying. In the meantime, Vrinda Devi came.
বৃন্দাদেবীকে দেখে
After seeing Vrinda Devi,
তখন কৃষ্ণ বললেন, হে
then
বৃন্দে,
Krishna said, oh
তুমি
Vrinde,
বলো,
tell me,
আমার রাধারানীর সঙ্গে
how
কি
can
করে
I meet with Srimati Radhika? Then Vrinda Devi said, oh Krishna Govinda,
তোমার রাধারানীর মিলনের আমি ব্যবস্থা করছি।
I will arrange for meeting with you.
তুমি এক কাজ
For your meeting with Srimati Radhika. Do one thing.
আমাকে গুরু মানো।
Think I'm like your guru.
বৃন্দাদেবী বলছে,
Vrinda Devi saying, Krishna, think I'm your guru. Then Krishna folded his hands and said, okay, you are my guru.
যেমন গুরু যেমন শিষ্যকে যেমন
So when like guru is saying to disciple, giving instruction, disciple is instantly following. So whatever I tell to you, you have to do.
তখন কৃষ্ণ
Then
বললেন,
Krishna
ঠিক আছে,
said, okay, no problem.
তোমার সেই আদেশ
I am your disciple now.
যেমন ভাবেই হোক
So
রাধারানীর সঙ্গে আমার
do anything, do whatever you want. Just make me meet with Srimati Radhika. That time Vrinda Devi told, okay, come
এখন
here.
তুমি যে টেড়ে মেড়ে রয়েছো,
You are bent like your Tribhanga. You are bent from three places, right? Your Tribhanga.
কৃষ্ণ
Tribhanga
বলে,
Lalit
এই
Krishna.
টেড়াপন ছাড়ো।
Give up this bentness and become straight. Stop being bent.
এখন কৃষ্ণ কি হলেন?
Then Krishna, he became
সোজা হয়ে গেলেন।
straight,
হ্যাঁ? কৃষ্ণ এখন
not bent
সোজা
from
হয়ে
anywhere. Then Krishna became straight like this.
এই
Then,
তোমার এই বংশীটা,
oh, you have this flute, right? And this peacock feather of yours, give it to me.
হ্যাঁ, তখন কৃষ্ণ
Then Krishna
বৃন্দাদেবীকে
gave his
বলির পাখা
flute and
আমার
his peacock feather
বংশীটা
to
দিয়ে।
Vrinda Devi.
আচ্ছা, আর এক
Then,
কাজ করো,
oh, okay, do one more
এই,
thing.
তোমার এই যে কালো বর্ণ
This
রয়েছে,
black color
এই
of
কালো
yours,
বর্ণকে ত্যাগ করতে হবে।
give up this black
কালো
color.
বর্ণ
Then how can you give up your own skin color? Then Vrinda Devi, what did she do? She picked beautiful lotuses, and the fragrance of those lotuses, the beautiful color of the lotus, she made a paste of it and applied it on the body of Krishna. Then Krishna became what color now?
অরুণ বর্ণ হয়ে গেলেন,
অরুণ।
এত দেখতে সুন্দর।
Arun one.
আচ্ছা, আবার বলে,
Which color
তাহলে
is?
আবার আর কি করতে হবে?
Arun
না,
Varna.
তুমি একটা এই খঞ্জনি নাও।
Now take a.
এই যে, বোঝা? হ্যাঁ? হাতে নিয়ে ঝনঝন করে।
It's like an instrument that you can play with the hand
আর কি করতে হবে?
And then-
সাধু বেশ ধারণ
and
করো।
become a sadhu.
হ্যাঁ, সন্ন্যাস বেশ ধারণ করো।
Become sannyas clothes.
হ্যাঁ,
Wear
এবার
sannyas clothes.
কৃষ্ণকে পরিয়ে দিন। কৃষ্ণ এখন সিধা হয়ে গেলেন কিনা?
So Krishna became straight. So
হ্যাঁ,
he was straight
বলে,
and
তোমার এই
wearing
চাকুর চিকুর,
the
সুন্দর যে কেশ
crimson
রয়েছে,
color.
এই কেশকে কি
clothes.
করো? সুন্দর কাপড় দিয়ে
Cover
ঢেকে
your
দাও।
head
মানে
with a beautiful cloth.
পাগড়ি বেঁধে নাও। দেখতে কেমন?
No one should see your hairs. Cover it.
বেশ, সাধু বেশ,
Sadhu vesh. Wear the clothes of
সাধু
sadhu.
বেশ ধারণ করো। হ্যাঁ, সাধুরা কি করে?
What is sadhu doing?
হ্যাঁ, মাথায় কাপড় বাঁধে কি না?
They put the clothes on their head, right?
কাপড় বেঁধে।
See like this, Madhusudan Prabhu like this. So hairs cannot see. So now Govinda look like beautiful sadhu.
সন্ন্যাস বেশ ধারণ করে।
Sannyas clothes he's wearing,
হ্যাঁ, লাল কাপড় হয়ে গেছে।
red clothes,
আর
and
পাগড়ি হয়ে গেছে।
he's straight.
হ্যাঁ,
Not
আর এই
bent from
স্বামীজি
anywhere.
একটা সুন্দর কথা শোনো।
And Vrinda Devi said, I will teach you one very nice song. See, Vrinda Devi is saying this to him. I will, 2-line song I will teach to you. This song you chant everywhere, and Srimati Radhika you will meet with her. You meet with Srimati Radhika. So Krishna wearing sannyas form and wearing clothes of sadhu, and with the instrument he's singing, Hey Radhe, in your separation today, Krishna is becoming a beggar. This kirtan, he's singing this. Very nice, beautiful kirtan this is. So with the instrument he's singing and saying, where is he doing the kirtan? Outside. He's rotating, circling, circumambulating the kunj of Srimati Radhika. He's doing kirtan, circumambulating the kunj of Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she heard this. Then what did she do? In kirtan it is coming, Radhe, in your separation, today Krishna has become a big beggar. He is roaming around in madness. So Srimati Radhika heard this. Then Srimati Radhika could not control herself. Then she said to Sakhis, Oh Sakhis, who is singing this in my separation? My beloved Govinda. He became a beggar and roaming around here and there. So beautiful kirtan this one. Then Srimati Radhika herself, she said, Oh Lalite, call, who is singing this? I want to hear this kirtan. Who is singing this? Then Lalita Devi, Sakhis,
কৃষ্ণ বেশধারী সাধুকে ডাকলেন, সাধু এখানে আসুন বাবা, আপনি সুন্দর কীর্তন করছেন।
What?
কৃষ্ণ সুন্দর কীর্তন করেন।
So Sadhu said, No, I don't talk to any ladies. The Sadhu said, ladies should not come near me. In scriptures it is also said, sannyasi does not go to any ladies. So he said, no. So the Sakhi said, Oh Baba, come, please listen, you are Sadhu. We'll give you donation. We'll give you. On Dwadashi, what you are donating? You're giving bhiksha. You're giving donation, we'll give you some many things. Come Sadhu. Then Krishna is saying, No, I don't want anything from you, sir. They're like, Oh, what kind of Sadhu this is? Like, oh, Lalita Devi is saying, my Sakhi wants to listen what you're singing so melodiously. So here Krishna is also wanting to meet Srimati Radhika, right? And then said, Oh, before he was thinking, internally he wants to meet with Srimati Radhika, but externally he's saying, No. So 2 minus makes a plus. So 2 negative makes a positive. I will not eat. No, like this. Some people say, I don't want to eat, but actually they want to eat so much. So 2 negatives makes a positive. So he's saying, No, I will not go. I don't want to go. Like this Krishna is saying. So the Sakhis, they grabbed the sadhu and brought him. Then they say, Oh, okay, look our palm lines, see our hand. So Sadhu said, No, I don't see the hands of lady. Because if you grab someone's hand, it's very, very hard to be. It's like falling in a trap. Like your life will be destroyed. So he said, I'm a sadhu. I don't touch the hand of any lady. The Sakhi said, Oh, look at our hands. Okay, see our forehead. You are sadhu. So look at our forehead. Then you can know, you can predict our future, right? So on everyone's forehead, it's written. From those who know, there are some lines on the forehead also. So those who know, they can see. Oh, see the forehead of our Sakhi. Come. You don't see the palm lines? Okay, no problem. See the forehead. Then the Krishna was sitting, disguised as sadhu. So the Sakhi said, Oh, see, a sadhu has come. She has to just show your forehead to him. So the sadhu will tell you what is the
राधा ने बोले ना
Srimati Radhika is saying, I never see the face of any other man. I don't see anyone else apart from Govinda. Oh, just show your forehead once to yours, just show your forehead to the sadhu. Then the sadhu will fix all your problems and tell the cause of your misery. So you can like cover your eyes. The sadhu can see just once and know everything. So Srimati Radhika came there, she sat there, and then when she was wearing like a cloth covering her face, and then Krishna, Srimati Radhika lifted up the cloth a little bit, and then the eyes of Srimati Radhika looked at the eyes of Krishna, and they both realized that Radha and Krishna and their divine meeting happened. So they have like beautiful eye contact. Then all the Sakhis, they gave them both seated on a beautiful throne, and they sing this beautiful arati. Yeah? Oh, Sham Bihari. Move the camera a little bit up, that one. Are not by your hand. Just... Oh, Srimati Radhika and Krishna meeting like this. See, because of divine anger mood, such a beautiful pastime manifested. These are the Leelas of Kunja here. When Gauranga Mahaprabhu coming in Gaura Leela, is coming Vrinda Devi. So Vrinda Devi made the form of Gauranga in Krishna. In Kunja Leela it is explained. It's explained. Nitai Gaur Premanande. So Krishna Leela, Gaur Leela, Krishna Leela, both Leelas, they are non-different from each other. Those who think Gaura and Krishna are different, they are offenders. It's offense to differentiate. No difference between Gaura and Krishna. Gaura is Krishna and Krishna is Gaura. Beautiful pastimes. Just the pastimes are different. Some are meeting pastimes, some are separations pastimes. This is the difference. Gaura Leela is called the primary focus on the separation pastimes, and Krishna Leela is meeting pastimes. Vipralamba Sachinandan Gaurari always absorbed in Vipralamba, and Krishna is absorbed in Sambhoga, meeting. Krishna is absorbed in meeting, Sachinandan Gaurari absorbed in separation mode. A big round of applause.